Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. A couple of weeks ago, my channel surpassed 100,000 subscribers. And to be honest with you, I am truly floored by that. I never really expected my channel to come even close to getting 20,000 subscribers, let alone 100,000. I can hardly believe that we've reached this milestone, 100,000 subscribers. It's not just a number, it represents a community, a journey, and the support of so many amazing people from all over the world. To each and every one of you who have clicked the subscribe button, left a kind comment, or shared a video, or just quietly watched from afar, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. You've helped turn what was a dream 5 years ago into reality and something that I never thought would occur. There were moments, especially last year, with the move and then being extremely, for the first time in my life, feeling extremely overwhelmed. I wasn't sure we would get here. But with your encouragement and energy and your belief, the channel kept growing and you kept pushing me along. You made this space feel special, and I am truly, deeply grateful for your help. I don't know what the future holds, but I do want my channel to continue to grow. I want to continue to produce interesting and fresh and new content for you. And I'm open to any and all suggestions. Again, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for reaching this milestone. And like I said, it is truly amazing to me. YouTube reached out to me and they sent me this plaque to celebrate the achievement. And this is what it looks like. So again, I want to thank you all very, very much. There's one particular YouTuber, when I first started my channel, that took time to share one of my videos. Her channel is Ernie Hatmaker, and I remember posting the video on a Saturday and waking up Sunday morning and seeing that it had been shared, and that meant so much to me. At the time, I think I had less than 200 or 300 subscribers, and for her to take the time to notice my channel and then make a post on it, I thought was very nice and amazing. So I want to give a nice shout out to her. So until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Take care.